أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زد لي علما رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Attendance, our organizer, moderator, and my honorable teacher, and my believers, my brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Actually, I was on vacation for 12 days, so I am not prepared about this speech. So today morning I just take a plan to give that speech. So that's why I am sharing this 12 days vacation, this tour story. Actually, I start my English journey in the English fantasy. Then immediately one business work plus one social work, I have their meeting in South Africa. So that's why I'm going immediately. I just take a plan for 2 days ago to going to South Africa. Then I book the ticket and mostly I am confirmed it at there 1 o'clock and my flight is night 1 o'clock. So then I'm going to be ready to going South Africa. I do the flight to from the Dhaka to Dubai for the 4.5 hours flight, and there I have a transit for 6 hours transit, and mostly I am enjoying the Dubai airport. This is the one of the biggest and largest and very one of the very nice airport in the world, Dubai airport. This is the 7th terminal of the airport, and I landed when there is a terminal B. So this is the terminal B. Also is a bigger. There is have a like 93 airlines counter. So I'm finished 6 hours journey, and mostly interesting. There is have a lot of opportunity in the airport for the eating facilities, for the praying facilities. There is have so many prayer room in the airport. So I finished my Fajr Salah, and after then 6 hours is my transit time. I am finished 6 hours at the time. Then I am fly to the Dubai to South Africa. This is the 9 hours journey, Dubai to South Africa. So mostly in the state, this my flight with one biggest plane is the A380. This is the double checker airlines. So I am very enjoying this flight. Then I am getting in the flight. Then there also this flight, there is food also very luxurious food, and there is cabin crew is very helpful, very interesting everyone, and very enjoyable. And also when I am going there, who is my nearest seated person, with the white person, they are also very helpful and very friendly. Those are. Then I am finished my nine hours journey to Dubai to South Africa. When I'm going to South Africa, then receiving one of the organization secretary and one of the unit president, one of the Dawah secretary, and lot of people are coming to the airport and receiving me. Then I am going after when I finish my immigration, then I'm going to one of the interesting mosque in South Africa, one of the largest mosque in South Africa, the Nizamiya Mosque. This mosque is one of the historical mosque, and very this is the center. This is one of the Islamic center. There's have one of the big mosque. There's have a library. There's have a museum. There's have a community hall. There's have a clinic. There's have a primary school. There is a huge khana. There is have a market and lots of restaurant. Everything is there. And most interesting things, if you going there, if you visiting the museum, and when you are going there, they have a big library and very luxurious this library. When you are going to the library, they are offered you the tea and coffee, lot of things. Everything is free. Even if you want to bring the books, also getting the free books from there. There is only give for the charity work for this library. They are very positive, this library. So a lot of people are going, and I am also, when I was in South Africa, every day afternoon time, Asar time, I am going there and I am studying library. till Maghrib. Then I am coming back. So this is the one of the I didn't see in Bangladesh like this place. So if you go for learning, then if like this center and this like mosque, this is very important for everywhere in the world. Then I am going, my work finish in Johannesburg is 4-day working, my business work. I did done my business work nicely within 4 days. After then, I am going to visit with my friends and some of the guests coming from the England, some of the guests coming from the America, and some of the guests going from the Bangladesh. And some of the scholars also, we are meeting together. Then we are going, after 4 days, we are going to the Sun City, one of the biggest enjoyable park. And there is this area like 120 kilometers around this area. And this area have a own 5-star hotel, 4-star hotel, and there have lots of safari park, biggest safari park. It's 70 kilometer bigger safari park. You can driving everywhere, then you can see the elephants, zebra, giraffe, and lot of animals are there. And there have a nice hotel. Also there have a one ocean inside, and so many lake, and a lot of things are there. So I finished this journey, and actually this story is very long. I'm making the short because of my 12 days story. So after that finished, actually where we are going, everyone are giving me a lot of foods. Anyone's house is going there is giving like 15 item foods for 25 items of fruits and a lot of food. So we tell them, I give the presentation on if you give the less fruit, who gonna give us the food less. The one guy he's giving me the less food, but this is the very expensive food. There is like salmon fish, like deer, springbok meat, and a lot of things are there. So we're enjoying this food, and then we come back in Johannesburg. Then we are going, we are making a plan to going 7 wonders of the world. This is the Table Mountain. This is the South Africa. This lives in South Africa, Cape Town. So we are going. First time we are fly with a plane in Port Elizabeth for the 1.5 hours. After then we are do the 2-3 program. Then we are driving by the one of the garden road. This is called the garden road. This is the one of the long road and very nice ocean view, ocean and mountain view, and middle side is the road. So this road we are very enjoying with the driving. And after that we are going and look we are watching the 7 wonders of the world, the Table Mountain. And this is the cable car. It's the world's 2nd largest, highest cable car in this Table Mountain. So we are enjoying this cable car also, and we are enjoying this mountain. And this mountain is mostly famous because of top of the cloudy, top of the rain is this mountain. And we are enjoying there, and we are singing a song. We are looking everything. Then we are coming down in the Table Mountain. Then I am flying to Cape Town to Johannesburg. Then again I am flying to Johannesburg to Dubai to Bangladesh, and joining start afternoon to the English Fantasy. And today I speak about you. Thank you so much to have patience, and thank you so much everyone. See you again. Bye.